Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I'm on here to do a video for must be Lilla Divine. She's from Honolulu. Is this from you, Lilla? Yeah, she lives in Hawaii or Honolulu. Some there near me. It says L. Levine. Okay, so I think it might be Lilla's. Anyway, we'll undo this and see what you've got in here. Very talented lady. She has well, I'm sure that whoever she is, it is, but also I do watch her YouTube channel. I'm trying not to cut this. I watch all of them if I know that yous are there. If I don't forget. Let me just look at this. It is Lilla's. Thank you so much, Lilla. That's got her information on there. And here is some fabric she sent me. Isn't this cool? Oh, look. Oh, thank you so much. Isn't this nice? I got some little kitty. Was it little Hello Kitty fabric? And a bee. Isn't that pretty? Thank you. Oh, I like this one. Oh dear, look at that. I like all of them. I love all of them. Isn't this nice? Look at that. I'm going to be able to do something exciting with these, I hope. I really hope I can make them, you know, do them justice. And this one here, beautiful print. That one is beautiful print. Thank you so much, Lilla. This is so lovely. I really enjoy your channel too. You know, I really appreciate you entering in my competition. Thank you, darling. That's very kind of you. And I'll just put that back in there so I don't lose it. I hope I don't lose it, but I don't want to mix up who sent me who. I'm going to try and put your name on a different part in the book so I can know who they were from. So thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later.